Now it's Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen and Comet and Cupid and Donna and Blitzen. I wonder what a Caribbean version would sound like. What would we name our goats? Hello, everyone, and happy holidays. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Patrice, and this is my Embellish Life. In today's episode, I am summoning all of the wise men of my sewing and crafting council. You guys. Because we are making plans for my Christmas Eve church outfit. So if that's something you're interested in, let's get in it. So in my previous episode, I mentioned that my Christmas Eve outfit is the last garment that I'm planning to make this year. And you know, it's for Jesus, so we have to make it look good. And I don't have any gold and frankincense and myrrh. Well, he could get some marby and some guava berry and some sorrel and gingerbread and passion fruit. But anyway, we are making some plans for my Christmas Eve outfit. So since my entire immediate family would be in church on Sunday, the Christmas Sunday, it was decided that the family was going to wear a color. And the color that was decided on is dark green / hunter green. So immediately I knew that I wanted to use a brocade fabric. And I searched high and low, you guys. High and low in the byways and the highways for this fabric. Because this time of the year, I was seeing more of the gold and the white and silver and the seafoam green and those sort of colors. And they were absolutely beautiful, but not what I wanted. But I finally found the fabric. And this is the fabric that we're using. This beautiful hunter green brocade fabric with flowers printed on it. And it is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Love, 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 love it. And I think I purchased 5 yards of it. I think it's 5 yards. I don't think I purchased 4 yards of it. But it's 60 inches wide, and I think I purchased 5 yards of it. So this is the fabric that we have to play with today. Now I only got a couple of days, guys. Why do I torture myself like this? I don't know. But the plan is, with this fabric, I was given towards a variation of the tuxedo dress, or or I really wanted, a fit and flare dress, but I really wanted something different done with the sleeves. So maybe a ruffle sleeve or a puff sleeve or something of that sort. So I went into my fabric, not my fabric, we already have the fabric. I went into my pattern stash and I bounced up on some patterns, two actually, that I have to decide on, and I'll show them to you right now. So if I go with the tuxedo dress version, I was thinking of either a variation of Butterick B5747, sorry, that's B5747, or Nomi 2006. And it's patterned by the Corny Rainbow. And I love both of these patterns, to be honest, especially the one from the Nomi, from the Corny Rainbow, from Nomi. My dilemma is now, I don't want anything right now to give me complications. You guys know how this story go. It's Christmas. I don't want any complications right now. This is not the time for troubles. It's peace on earth and goodwill to men. I'm just saying, no complications. So I'm not sure how many pattern pieces um, for the Nomi pattern is. I'm not sure. I would, well, it's an average pattern. So I know it's more than five. But I really wanted a variation of the tuxedo dress. Now, what I was thinking is that I really wanted the bottom part of the dress to be flared, and the top part of the dress, that's where the tuxedo style would come in. So, to be honest, I would have to do some, what you call it, adjustments and hacking to the pattern. Even if I choose Butterwick B5747, I think it would be easier to hack than the Nomi pattern with the style that I'm envisioning right now. I don't think that I have enough time for it, to be honest, but I do want to do it in the future. But I don't think I have the time for that right now. So I'm thinking I'm going to put the tuxedo dress idea at the side for a moment. Might just put it in my 2024 plans. And I'm going to go with a fit and fair dress, but I'm going to, do something different with the sleeve portion of it. I mean, this is a beautiful fabric and it deserves to be shown. You know what I'm saying? So the pattern that I think that I'll go with is Butterwick B5748. Now it's a retro pattern. I absolutely love Butterwick's retro patterns because that fit and flare, they get it right and I enjoy wearing them. So I think I'll do view B for Butterwick B5748. I might just shorten the length of the dress as usual. But I'm thinking of the sleeves now, that because I've been searching and I've decided on two sleeve design. Now the first one, the designer, it's on Etsy. It's a PDF pattern and it's the inflated sleeves by Judy Sewing Patterns, and her shop is on Etsy. And it's sort of, I'll put the picture up so you can see it, but it's sort of a puff sleeves, but the puff sleeve still makes it looks as if it's a sleeveless dress. It's given kind of a 80s-ish vibes to it. I'm absolutely loving this design. So this is one idea that I have. Now, the second idea that I have is to use a ruffle sleeve. And the designer that I've chosen from is Atelier Charlotte Azou. It's a French designer. I'm hoping that I've pronounced the surname right, but I'll pop the name on the screen. And I'm thinking that's the second version, second option that I would have for the sleeve, like a ruffle sleeve kind of version of it. So those are the two that that I'm really toying with. I was tempted, to be honest, to use what's her name? She's also a designer for Mimi G as well, but she also has independent pattern. Is it Butte Jadot? Oh gosh, I'm punishing these names. I'm butchering the name. Oh gosh, I'm sorry. Please forgive me this holiday season. But I'll pop a picture of it, and she has oh my goodness, this dress or this top pattern that she has with some beautiful exaggerated sleeves. Now, the reason that I didn't choose this pattern is that even though I want my sleeves to be sort of exaggerated, I want it to be sort of the focal point, I don't want to go too extreme. Reason being that my shoulders are sort of broad. I'm sort of top heavy. So my shoulders are sort of broad. So anything that would that I do this vision of the body, because I have broader shoulders, it tends to accentuate it even more. This is why I don't wear shoulder pads at all. I will look like a linebacker, I'm telling you. So, but I would like to toy around with that pattern in the future. Maybe if I can minimize it a bit, but I do like that design as well. But like I said, I don't have the time right now because, to be honest, I'm really feeling my knitting pattern right now. So I don't have the time to be messing about. Now, the Butterwick pattern, this pattern, it has 4 pattern pieces. I can live with that. And then we'll add the sleeves, and then we should be good to go. So I am planning to do a bit of filming for you guys. I'm being generous this holiday season. Yes, so hopefully I'll be able to take you all on the journey with me. But we will see what happens, and we will pray for the best and minimal shenanigans. All right, lovies, that is all that I have today pertaining to my Christmas Eve sewing plans. I'm glad we came to a decision. Aren't you glad? I am. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram to keep up with my other crafting shenanigans. I hope you are having a tremendous holiday season, be it whatever you celebrate, whether it's Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, nothing at all. I hope that you're having a beautiful season. Merry Christmas and happy holidays to each and every one of you. We are so grateful. Well, at least I am. I am so grateful that I'm able to see the end of 2023. A lot of people didn't make it, but I am here to see it, and I am so grateful. And I cannot wait to see what 2024 has in store. I'm so excited about that. But anyways, guys, I'm out of here. I need to get started on this thing. So bye.